response, Pakistan targeted its eastern border with a great number of drones coupled with missiles as well as jet fighters attack. It all captured precise achieved targets by advanced space technology. Assuredly China assistance can't be ruled out, but Pakistan's own pitch of advancement can't be neglected, which Pakistan applied. At one moment of war, those were flying only Pakistani fighter jets in Indian air. India suspects that Pakistan can't do all without the shoulder of China to Pakistan. In recent past, China and India have done a lot in space technology. Due to economic conditions and ease way of dependence upon China space technology, Pakistan has gone far back, and SPARCO, Pakistani Space Agency, couldn't do a better advice in space upgrade. China has done much more in lunar exploration, and even stepped on the soil of Mars. The Chang'e 5 mission collected soil from Moon. In recent years, China proved its grade as space leader. China has developed successfully its own the Tiangong space station in late 2022. The Shenzhou 15 crew had conducted more than 100 experiments in space including microgravity research.